Hello, in this Kotlin programming video, I am going to cover return values with functions. So if you haven't already done so, have a look at my basic function video and the function parameter video. Once you've done that, we'll continue. So let's just get rid of these two lines. Let's just run it and see what we get. You probably can guess, what the output's going to be. And we get 9. Okay, simple stuff. You might be able to see a problem, and it's this right here. It's not a problem that prevents you from running, but it's very limited. This assumes you want to print it out. You might not want to print it out, or at least not straight away. So a return statement allows you to basically return data from a function to where that function has been called. So whereas parameters allow you to pass data in, you could potentially process that data, which is what we're doing, we're adding them together, and you could return the resulting value. So instead of this, we'll calculate it. So we'll do var result. Actually, as this isn't going to change, we'll do val result equals num1 plus num2. And now if we do something called return result, I forgot one thing. You need to specify a return type for your function, and at the end you just put colon, then the type of data that you're returning. And if we're adding two integers together, it makes sense that you'll be returning an integer. Let's run it, see what we get. We should have 9 printed out, and no, nothing printed out. Though this, worked, and it worked fine. This is the same thing as us writing, 9 there, just having the number 9. We're not doing anything with it. So what we need to do is create a variable, let's say called var, number equals this. And now we could do something like print line. So print the number. And it'll pop up any moment now. As you can see, it shows 9. So with the result statement, the return statement, it just returns the result, or whatever value you want. You could just do return 8, for example. You could put a string. This won't work because the data type, the return type of the data type of the return value isn't int. But if you were to change that, you'll be all good to go. But it just returns it back to here, and this is just assigning it to the number now. The beauty of this is you can use this later on, so you could do like number times number. So whatever the resulting value is, you could now square it. Okay, so as you can see, that's how you use return values. As an extra task, I want you to create another method for basically, powers, or squaring a number. So essentially what I've done here, instead of doing it manually, you would call this function, let's just call it square, and you would pass in one parameter, should be enough, number. You can call it whatever you want in the actual argument section here. Then the return value will be that number times by itself, and then that's what you print out. That's it, simple stuff. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.